Steam smoothing in a Miele tumble dryer, an alternative to ironing when things need to be done at the double. Ideally suited to removing wrinkles from dry garments. When the steam smoothing program is selected, the user is prompted to fill the condensate container with water. Any condensate from previous cycles may remain in the container. If the water level is below the mark, simply add water, preferably distilled water. Confirm by pressing OK and start. Water is drawn in at the beginning of the program. A filter at the entrance to the suction tube removes any lint which may be contained in the water. The water is fed through to a spray nozzle in the door opening, and a fine aerosol is sprayed into the drum. At the same time, the drum rotates in order to expose laundry uniformly. Depending on the load type and size, this may be followed by a second spray phase. After spraying, the drying air is heated. The temperature rises, resulting in the water turning into steam. This causes the fibres of textiles to swell and stretch. This, in combination with drum rotation, smooths fabrics and reduces the need for ironing, sometimes even dispensing with this unpleasant chore altogether. Steam smoothing, a substitute for ironing when time is at a premium, perfectly suited to removing wrinkles from dry garments.